What's up, guys? Buying a new car can be an exciting thing. Um, kind of gives you a sense of what you're working for, or, long time coming kind of deal. But there are some things that I want to point out specifically with this vehicle. This is a Kia, it's not mine. Customer came in and said that the vehicle wouldn't start, or I had it towed in. The vehicle wouldn't start. And obviously, it's starting. And running. Now, the reason that it was towed in for a no start condition is as simple as this. Hold on. So, where was this? Oh, it was just around this. It looks cool, but it also messes with your immobilizer system, your anti-theft system, which was preventing communication between the key and the vehicle. So the vehicle, thinking it was being stolen, was shutting off within just a couple seconds of spinning over with the key. So don't put these on your vehicle. They're cool looking. They're awesome, I guess. Don't do it. Yeah. Y'all have a great day.